This is 2015 Topps Archives Signature Series Baseball. It's 101 and 102 are our numbers. We're going to go ahead and screen share you over. Up in here, up in here. Now we're over here, over here. All right, we got Bam W up top, Brad W. BW is all the way around. BW, 7 series down at the bottom. We're going to go ahead and copy this list here. Let's run it through random 7 times, and then we'll randomize the last name, first letters. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time through is 7 on the owner names. Michael L., you are up top, NY. And Matt W., ML and Matt W. Everybody else, you are somewhere in between. As we pull up our spreadsheet. All right, now let's go ahead and randomize our letters. Of course, A is at the top. Down at the bottom, we have Y. Why ask why? No more questions. Here we go, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here comes number 5. Let's make it 6. Last time through equals 7. All right, G is now up top. W down at the bottom. Everything else in between. Let's match them up to the names in the list. That's right. Any letter is long. That's always the best letter, right? The letter that hits is always the best letter. G. Oh, boy. This guy going all Bronx on us. All Jamaica Queens. Old Smack Diddley. Oh, old Smack Diddley. All right, so there's our list. We're going to go ahead and bring it over. We're going to bring it over to the break screen at this time. My buddy. My buddy. Wherever I go. All right. Here are our letter assignments. Last name. First letter. Is Vlad Guerrero the Impaler? You know what? Here's a link. Actually, you know what? I closed it. No, I didn't. Hold on. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Here's a link for it right here from the top site. Yount me, please. Yount to. Just click on that right there. That's a PDF. It shows you all the hits right there. Yeah, I got you. Vlad the Impaler. Not a bad PC. All right, guys, we're going to rip this open. It doesn't look like we have any trades. Never a lot of trades on the old letters. All right. I wish everyone good luck. May the force be with you and also with you. Lift up our brakes. I got many roids users. All right. Here we go. First one. That's just funny. I'm sorry. Tops, really? All right, good luck. Here we go. Oh, you said do it first. All right, we'll do it first. I got no worries with that. We'll do it first. Get that one out the way. All right. Now I know that they're right there on top and not covered in the sleeve or anything. All right, who's it going to be? It's going to be none other. 18 of 38 stamped right here, the buyback. 18 of 38, Ken Griffey Sr. 18 of 38. Who's got the letter G? That's going to be Mike L up top. NY card collector. That's coming out to you, my man. The Ken Griffey Sr. right there. Nice looking card. She's sharp. She is sharp. Damn, he played a long time. 18 years. Good night. The man is a genius. Look at the big brain on Brad. Way to go. That's coming out to you, Mike. That is the craziest thing. We opened that one, took the shrink wrap off, and oh my God, look at that. What is going on here? All right, next one. Next one, what do we got? It's going to be... Wow. Wow, look at this. This is a great break for Mr. Michael L. right there. 5 of 6 league leaders. Juan Gonzalez. And the camera will not zoom in. There it is. All right, we can get a good look at the card now. Nice. Nice. 5 of 6 right there. You know what? This would have been a great break for last night's Tough Guy Tuesday to get in on. Juan Gonzalez right there. Congratulations, NY Card Collector. Those are coming out to you, my man. Let's see who in 1998 the Ribby leaders were. Juan was 157. Albert Bell, there's a name. 152. Ken Griffey Jr., 146. Manny Ramirez, 145. Alex Rodriguez. Tino Martinez, there you go. Noma. Rafi. Dean Palmer and Paul O'Neill. Dean Palmer. Baseball should be thanking these guys. I'm sorry. The fact that they're not in the Hall of Fame is a joke. Baseball knew what was going on. Baseball ratings were taking a dive. Attendance was down. And those brought them back to reality. Saying, I got a point. Got a point. Hey, Collector said, yeah, I think he did too. Just not excess's amount. His head did grow a little bit. His head got bigger. You can see that frontal cortex kind of swelling at the plate. All right, guys, that's going to do it for the 2-boxer, man. That's awesome right there. I'm impressed. It's only 10.50 to get in on a buyback. So we know we got the G's out of the way because the first break, we hit 2 G's back-to-back right there. We're going to send that over to YouTube right now.